Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, Oliver borrowed $90,000 from a bank at the interest rate of 20% per annum compounded annually. The amount payable to bank after 3 years is how much dollar? Here we have given principal amount is $90,000. Then rate of interest is 20% per annum, and we have to calculate the compound interest for the time 3 years. So by using the formula, we can calculate amount as P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. So it is 90,000 into 1 plus R is 20 divided by 100 to the power T means 3. So after calculating this, we get $155,520. Hence, amount payable to the bank after 3 years be $155,520.